Give me some space. Dude, stop. I could hear someone coming. Are you ready? Stop laughing. Someone's coming. Are you ready? Yes? Alright, someone's coming. Good. This one's good, dude. Yo, boss, just give me a week. Please, listen to me. Here's my money for now. I have kids. Oh, please. Oh my God! Ah! What's up, trash boy? Just, hey, get lower, bro. If someone passes by, they'll see you. Yo, just give me a week, man. Just calm down. Here, take all this money. Just.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yo, please, just here, get my money. Just give me a week, man. Just please, just please. Yo, it's with them as a prank, man. Don't call the cops. Oh my God! Ah! Yo, go tell him. Go tell him it's a prank. He's gonna call the cops. Hey, man, it's a joke. Hello? Yo, it's a joke, man. This is my, it's paint. It's not blood. Dude. It's just a prank. We got a camera. We got a box under the camera.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's just a joke.
You don't do this?
Yo, just
are you out of your
dude.
mind? Why are you trying to fake a gunshot?
It's just a joke for a YouTube video, man. It's just
oh
a joke.
My.
I'm sorry, dude.
Oh my gosh,
I'll show you the video. Want to see the video?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
What's going on?
Did we scare you? I'm sorry, bro. You good? You good?
My heart.
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, let's go see. I'll show you the camera. See that box right there? There's a camera inside the box.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my arm hurt. That was a good shot, though, dude. That was a good reaction.